Hi Virgo, welcome to your reading, and this is for Virgo Ascendant, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placement in their chart. Jupiter may resonate with the reading. Cross watchers are always welcome. Cross watchers, if I describe someone and you know that it is not you, it is not you. Just because you are connecting with Virgo, you're gonna assume that whom I'm describing here is you. Please don't, this is not a personal reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, welcome. You might want to consider subscribing, for I am always hosting a party online wherein I'm doing a live streaming, and in the live stream you can ask me questions. If you missed the live streaming, you can still ask me questions. There's a link in the description box. Click that link, you will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. 500 likes for this video and your next video will be a full reading. Virgo, if you want to know your lucky numbers and lucky color, follow me on Instagram. If you also want to know your financial forecast for the month of March, follow me on Instagram as well. If you are into twin flame readings, almost personal readings, pick a card and channel messages. Subscribe to the other channel, that's Timeless Tarot 111. Also meditation music, I'm posting it there. And if you resonate with the reading, congratulations. If you do not resonate with the reading, you can come back to the reading after a week or two. Time is fluid. If you resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, still congratulations, for I am doing a collective reading. So Virgo, let's begin. Your first card is the Eight of Cups, followed by the Page of Wands and the Page of Cups. There's a lot of pages. Virgo, you might be connecting with someone that you have an age gap with, for a few numbers of you. If not an age gap, your person here is a little immature, if I may say. Yeah, they think that this is a playground. They're thinking that your connection here is a playground. For a few numbers of you, your person here left the connection, turned their back on you. Check if the grass is greener on the other side. I think that you are connecting with someone that is in and out of this connection also. It could be physically. I think that doesn't that doesn't sound good. Physically in and out to you. Well, it could be. You know what I mean. Sorry, English is not my first language, but I know that it doesn't sound right, but I know it feels right. Okay, let's go back. I'm distracted with what I said here. Or probably your person is emotionally, in and out of this connection. Let's just put it that way. With a Page of Wands here, you know that your intuition here is telling you that this person is always on the phone. I can sense, a communication here that's about to happen as well. For a few numbers of you, there's an urge for you, or probably for a small percentage of you, that there's already separation, right? You're still sending out sweet nothings, or just a little hi, hello, right? A very, very, small, short message here, right? And I can see you with a Page of Cups. You're still checking your person's social media account. That is true. I can even see you're still checking your person's social media account because you missed the person. And you know for a fact that this person is not just a person that you just bumped into this world. You are connecting with your twin flame. And this person you might be in a long distance relationship, but there is really a strong gap here. Separation. Gap is separation. Your person might be in a different city, different state, different county, different country. For a few numbers of you, you might also connected with this person in a dating site, or you met in a dating site or social media. Physical distance. For a few numbers of you, this is emotional, right? You're not really on the same page. That makes sense because they are a little immature, if I may say. You can switch energies here. Cross watchers, if you feel like this is your reading, so be it. Virgo, if you feel like you are in the cross watcher side, that is okay. I'm not reading which side you at, I am reading the energies. And I can see here, you know, that because if the lovers showed up, it means that this is a resolution. That is true. With the Eight of Cups here, Seven of Pentacles showed up. There's a lot of waiting. You have waited for this person for quite a while now. With the Three of Wands, another waiting card. You're searching for an answer. You're waiting for a sign. You're waiting for your ship to come in. You're waiting when this person's going to be back, or when this person's going to allow you to be back in their life, right? Three of Wands here. I think you're also waiting for a signs from above. You miss the person a lot, but you know that your person probably is busy. There's a lot of things in their plate right now. There's also option that will be open to you on how both of you can be back together. Well, I can see your Ten of Pentacles. See, that can be back together with the Ten of Pentacles, which means this is the highest form of the abundance. Ten of Swords. I mean, Ten of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, right? Highest form of abundance. So you're gonna be with this person again. But I can see here that your person feels like they're running. They missed you too, for some reason. I think that your person here did something that they don't even like. For a few numbers of you, I can see that this person did it because it's either left you because someone asked them to, because of, for old time's sake. This person needed something before. They felt like they are entrapped with this person and they need to give this person a favor. It could be an ex, it could be a family member. But little do you know that they know that they did wrong here. Now they're coming back to you. And I can see the energy is real fast here. They do miss you a lot. For a few numbers of you, I have to go to a different avenue, right? For a few numbers of you, this person just suddenly disappear. Why? Because this person, little do you know, this is a very, very small percentage. You need to hear this. Whoever you are, please comment down below. I think that your person here was missing in action because they're incarcerated. Now let's go back. I can sense it with a Fool card. They have a full trust that that they're gonna be accepted by you. With a Hierophant here, I can sense an apology that is about to happen. And this person is going to apologize. You might feel that this person's not going to, but they will. They're actually thinking about this just to be with you again. They're gonna swallow their pride just to be with you again. And for them, apologizing will not make them less of a person. A big change on them. You might be connected with a prideful person, but there is a change in them. Just so you know. With the Six of Pentacles here, they're also checking and they wanted to you know, you're gonna receive and you're gonna know that they're about to come back here, because you are getting these mixed signals. You're getting the hi, hello. Um, they want to penetrate again. There you go again. Penetrate. They want to go back really to you. Um, they want to have a victorious beginning with you. With the Eight of Swords here, they are really stressed. They're stressed because for a few numbers of you, probably did you post something to make this person jealous? That's true. They're stressed because they're jealous. They have a full trust here that you're going to accept them again, and they're ready to give you this abundance that they deprived you of, and they're thinking of you in a different perspective. So Virgo, you might be connecting here with any water placements, or you have a water placements in your chart. Gemini, or has a Gemini placement in their chart, or you have a Gemini placement in your chart. Taurus, or has a Taurus placement in their chart, or you have a Taurus placement in your chart. There's a strong Taurus here. Leo, or has a Leo placement in their chart, or you have a Leo placement in your chart, which only makes sense because right after Leo is Virgo. So Virgo, this is your reading. If you resonate with this and you want to go in depth, you can book a personal reading with me. If you are okay with the reading and you just have a question or two, there's a link in the description box. Click that link. You'll be routed to my page. Type in your questions. Click submit. 500 likes for this video. Your next video will be a full reading. Thank you so much for watching. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next reading. Bye, Virgo.